Hello and welcome. My name's Randell and this is autoviewz, and today we're going to talk about how you can better use autoviewz, or how you can just get started with all of its features. So today we're going to just go through a few of them, and we'll just be free flowing pretty much. I have done a video for each of my traffic exchange, or in the process of working on all of my traffic exchanges, getting a video similar to this. So a lot of this might be repeat information for a lot of yous if yous are members of my other exchanges. So just have a listen anyway, and if not, skip through the parts that you already know. So basically today we're just going to go through this stuff. So first of all, when you join autoviewz, you're going to create your account. You're going to have to go and confirm your email, then log in. You'll go through a one-time offer and also a surf start page. Now the surf start page, if you do wait the time, will give you 5 credits for viewing it, so it's a bit of a bonus and incentive to stick around for the 25-second timer. If not, you can just skip past it and that's all good as well. Then you'll be greeted to your home page, which looks like this. Very shortly there will be a video just here in this area, and this will be down a little bit lower, but still I'm doing the video now. So once we go to there, we'll have a quick look at like the 7-day activity report. So here you can check out what you've surfed and how many hits have been sent to your websites. You can also see your account overview, edit your account info, account upgrades, so you can purchase account upgrades. You can also purchase credits, so we offer quite a few packages for credits, banner ads and surf start pages and a bunch of stuff like that. You can also purchase with points. Points can be earned by surfing in prize boxes that pop up. The same with all my sites. All my sites have these prize boxes and bonus credits with in text links on the surf bar. Just got to watch the surf bar, guys. When you earn enough points, and we have competitions which I'll get to that also grant points, but when you earn enough points you can come to this page and purchase pretty much everything we offer on our store for cash, but instead pay points. So platinum upgrades, account upgrades, all that sort of stuff, guys, you can see right here. You can have a look. We add extra stuff now and then too. You can also purchase with commissions, so if you earn money by referring members or the like, or by clicking pay-to-click ads or earning cash in our comps or all of that stuff, you can then convert, either if you choose not to withdraw it, of course, you can then pay with your account balance at a severely discounted price, like $12.95. Now it's $7.95, and this discount goes up to as high as 70% and down to as low as 30%. That this will change depending on holiday and whatever promo and deals we've got. So keep an eye out of that, and do bank up a little bit of coin in your account so you can take advantage of these excellent offers. Like, you cannot get these offers anywhere else. They're insanely cheap. So there's that, or you can also withdraw your commissions to PayPal only. Payzer is gone, Solid Trust Pay, and at the moment we're not supporting Litecoin. However, PayPal is our only option. I will remove these eventually, so to stop the confusion, but I'm glad that come up when it did. Anyway, so you have that. Then basically you can click Start Surf. From here, the surf bar will automatically start. It'll show the site of the day. It'll show the site of the day, your user number, your credit balance, the sessions credits, and it'll tell you the current site ID, but this is a surf start page, so that's why it is what it is. You can open the site, you can go back to your account, or you can report the site, so if it's having an issue. It'll also show you your rank. This goes into play with your top 10 surfers, which is for the previous day. So if you surf, say, Wednesday, and you make it into the top 10 on Thursday, your number and ad will show up here, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So you can see your current rank here and surf it out, like to try and beat someone else if you really want to. So that's something to keep in mind. So that's your surf rank, and occasionally we'll show an ad here to prompt you to buy something in the shop. This is our co-op, which we're going to get to in a sec, but for now we will close out of here and come back to here. So that's start surfing. That was your surf. We have pay to click offers as well, so you can click these for a certain amount of time and earn cash. This one's for cash, this one's for credits. I think we do ones for points as well. This one's for 1 cent, 1 cent, 3 credits, 25 credits. So it's all different, but it's the pay to click section. Currently at the moment I don't have offer walls turned on this site on autoviewz. It is turned on Heaps Good Traffic and also gptmobile.com. Those two sites both have coops. They're manual traffic exchanges, paid to click sites, and they both have offer walls turned on. So take advantage of those two as well. But however, at this stage on autoviewz, we're just doing pay to click section, no offer walls. When you can also add your own websites. You don't just want to surf everybody else's, surely. So as I was saying about the top 10 ad, like this launching soon, someone's put here and advertise and earn. Now they made it into the top 10, so their ad gets shown. You can add yours by clicking on My Top Surfer, adding your ad, blah de blah, done deal sort of thing. And I'll submit it. See, a Top Surfer ad's been approved. It needs to be approved by admin. You can also add your websites, and that'll be here. I have quite a few, but it'll let you add a site. You can see our latest news, a bit of a site overview, contests running, all that sort of stuff, which we'll get to. Your text ads, your banner ads, and your pay to click ads can all be edited on their respective tabs. We also have a downline builder. Everyone should know how a downline builder works. You join, you sign up. If you're not already a member of these sites, you add your referral number, you hit submit. It stores that data, so when you refer a new member to autoviewz and they come to the downline builder, they will, and if they're not a member of the site, they sign up using your referral link. Your referral link will automatically be implanted in all of these websites. We have quite a few here, really popular ones. And not only does it do that, when a member joins, you refer someone and they join, and then they say don't want to join CPA Lead and Bob's Banners or Coin to Ply or whatever, they don't want to join those ones. Your referral link will stay there because you referred them, and if they refer someone else, I know it's getting complicated, but if they refer someone and they come to the downline builder, every single one that they chose not to fill in will be your link. So make sure you fill in everything. That's what I'm saying. Otherwise, but if you don't, it's good because you're just spreading the love, and some people can earn and do earn referrals 5, 6, 7, 8 levels down just in this little downline builder. So it's quite powerful. Take advantage of it. I've heard some really good success stories with it. You can see your direct referrals. I don't have any on this account, but they will show here, I guarantee it, and this will also be your referral link. However, you can just take this part, the question mark ref equals your ref number, and add that to any page on the website, contact, fax, policy, anything you want, and if someone joins, it'll automatically implant your referral link in all of their other pages. So keep that in mind too. If you don't want to just refer the index page or whatever page, you can get the ref for all of it, for every page. Yet we only list just this one out of ease. You can also see your promotional splash pages. Here is where we'll get into the coop as well. So on the promotional splash pages, it's a little bit different to my other sites. I don't have as many categories or as many straight downline builder ones. You get one of each in those ones. And we have 4 main standard splash pages. And I think the most important thing on this page is the co-op. Now the co-op looks like this. You may have seen it around. This logo is embedded with your referral link. This advertisement up here is embedded in with your referral link. This ad is from our Share My Ads banner exchange. So if you're not already a member, join that. That is our partner program, our sister program, and it's where we end up putting a lot of our emphasis on our banners throughout all of our exchanges, and in time we may phase out our current things and add this directly. It's up in the open, but up in the air a bit. It's based on what users really want or members really want, but we do use this quite a lot, so it's in your interest to go and sign up to this. There's a lot of really good stuff going on over on that site if you're not already a member. However, you can report the pages and whatever else. Now the coop, most importantly, and I think what everyone should really take away from this, is the coop is probably the bread and butter of autoviewz. Now the coop can be shown anywhere and it will earn you 2.5 credits, I think, at the moment, every unique view that you send to it. Rob, aka Cerberus, over on AppSense, has a really good method for making sure that every hit that you send to that coop gets, and multiple coops get a 24-hour unique hit. He's really clever. He's got this really cool trick using GeoPro 2 and Traffic Zipper, and it's quite clever, and another site as well, and it works really well. So check that out. Also, the coop rotates free and paid members, so if you see there's one that was a free member there, and here's another free member as well, and their sites are being rotated in our co-op. So it's, and as well as premium members. Now the catch here is that premium members are the only ones that should get access to turning this feature off and on, or the ability for their sites to be shown in the coop. And as a premium member, you get the ability to turn that off. So if you're going on holiday or whatever else, and you're running low on credits, and you can either not submit credits to your site, and that way they won't be rotated in the traffic exchange as well, or you can turn off the show off site feature and retain your credits and have it just shown in the traffic exchange. There's a nice V8 driving around outside, I apologize. So that's the coop basically. Free and paid members get rotated in it. Everyone gets to earn credits. I stand corrected, I think it's a motorbike. So now we have your splash pages. So your splash pages, these top 4 splash pages will all earn you credits as well, just like the coop. 5 credits. I apologize, the coop on autoviewz earns you 5 credits. Earns you 5 credits. The splash pages also earn you 5 credits. Now there's 4 different types. So here's one we have. This one is set up so using the downline builder. So if you actually were a part and took part in the downline builder, your downline builder link and referral link for each 4 of these websites is embedded in there. However, it's not in the ad. I'll be completely transparent. These ads here are set up with my link, but this join links here are set up with yours. So if people click this to join the website, which they're going to, they're not going to click on the banner exchange's actual banner if they want to join the site. Otherwise, they'd just be clicking on the ad anyway. So yeah, pretty much. So they're joining under your link on these ones. That's just another splash page that you can use. We also have this third one. This has got the form built into it. I've already joined, so the button there to join isn't there, but otherwise it would be. Then we also have this one, which is about our no risk guarantee. So at autoviewz, we have a no risk guarantee. So if you buy advertising, you're not 100% satisfied, we'll rerun your ad again and again and again and again, and credit your account until you feel that you have got what you paid for. Alright, there's no other autosurf that does that. So take advantage of our buy with 0 risk. We will make sure you get your advertising money worth. No questions asked. We'll just do it for you. Okay, so that's a really powerful splash page that you can use to gain referrals. It also shows autoviewz members ads on the page, and people can sign up using that or this up here to join autoviewz as your referral. So that one also earns you credits. However, our downline builder splash pages don't. This will have autoviewz here, and then a bunch of programs that are using the downline builder, and they're integrated with your referral links. So these will all be your referrals if someone joins them. We've got that one, and there is the straight cat, which is just Yibita, because we love Yibita. Alright, so that's your straight categories. I do need to work on that splash page. It doesn't have many on there. I did not know that. I thought I had fixed that. Anyway, this is getting off topic. You have your promotional banners. So your promotional banners are all here. One thing I'll note is the site is configured to make sure that to make these banners show in HTTP, or you can just change the banner image to HTTPS for some sites that don't allow straight HTTP. But please do leave the referral link, your referral link, as HTTP, because if you visit the site as HTTPS while it works, it messes up the layout of the site, and it looks terrible, and no one will join it if you send people to that link. So send it to HTTP, because it will make everything look and work right, but change the banner image to HTTPS if you need to. It will say it up here anyway if you forget that. What else is there? There is your URL rotator. So all my sites have an unlimited URL rotator. So the URL rotator looks like this. You'll get the referral if someone wants to get a free URL rotator here. Wow, that sounds like a dog. URL rotator. Anyway, and this banner image up, this logo image is embedded with your referral link too. Plus, it'll rotate your websites that you added to the URL rotator. So I've got these ones rotated. I only actually used mine to test frames at one point because I couldn't test them any other way, but it works now. So you just add the name and add the URL, and -1 will set unlimited hits. Otherwise you can say I only want to send 1200 hits or 50 hits or whatever, and you click add, and it gets added to your URL rotator, and you can track and reset your hits and all that sort of stuff. So that's quite handy. Contests. Now contests are always running. We've got contests all the time. So as you can see, people are taking advantage. Here's one for 50,000 credits. Here's one for 10,000 points. Here's one for $5. We do cash, points, credits, you name it, and we've got them for splash page hits, points earned, pages surfed, new referrals, and some other stuff as well. So there's always contests running. So make sure that you're in the know with what's running at the moment, so you can go after what you really need. And that's pretty much it, guys. You start surf on autoviewz and you surf, and you just watch the page and check it out, and you're good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you get more out of autoviewz traffic exchange. Thank you for putting up with the motorbikes and me just going through the site with you. If you want more videos to help you out on something specific, just leave a comment or hit me up by going to imrandell.com/support, and we will help you with all of your support requests for the website. Thank you very much. This has been I'm Randell with autoviewz.com traffic exchange and co-op advertising. Thank you very much. Have a great day.